Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing for you the Victoria's Secret 12 Days of Bombshell Advent Calendar. This retails for $195, but please don't buy it full price. Right now they have a 30% off promo, so it knocks the price down to $136.50. I actually got this on sale for 40% off a couple days ago, and I was able to pick it up in store, so I paid $117. And then for Black Friday, Cyber Week, they usually have some other kind of a promo, either buy one, get one free or 50% off. So make sure you follow me here on YouTube because I will post to my community page and also to my Instagram at Heated Mess. That's where I first post whatever is the greatest sale and deal and steal and freebie and gift with purchase. But let's go ahead and unbox this. So this year, the outer packaging is black with the red ribbon. Last year when I got this, it was pink, and it was the first time I got it, and I was surprised at how much I really like this. The shape is a perfume bottle, very similar to the Chanel No. 5 from a couple years ago, and then it opens up like so. I already cut the stickers on the side, but that is it. On the inside here, we have a card. This is the little Bombshell message. The card has a gold metallic bottle, and then it says, "Bombshell, immerse yourself in the magical world of Bombshell. Explore, unwrap, indulge. Each and every drawer reveals a surprise that's as unique as you. Curated and covetable little luxuries just for you. Bombshell." Okay, and then it's blank on the other side. Okay, remove the protective plastic, and you have all the drawers. What's unique about this advent calendar kind of a layout is the grand finale, day one, I guess, is this main center stage here. This is the full-size bottle. So for day one, we have the full-size Victoria's Secret Bombshell Eau de Parfum. This is the original Bombshell. There have been several flankers, different versions made of this. This is the 1.7 ounce 50 ml size. I'll go ahead and read the description to you. And apparently Bombshell is America's #1 fragrance. And in their description, they even cite the sources. I think one of the reasons why Victoria's Secret Bombshell is one of the best-selling fragrances is definitely the kind of lower price point compared to designer fragrances. If you're looking for another alternative to expensive luxury designer fragrances, I definitely recommend Dossier perfumes. This video is very generously sponsored by Dossier fragrances. They make some of my favorite dupes, my favorite alternatives to very expensive luxury designer fragrances. This is floral grapefruit, and it tells you the notes up here. This has top notes of grapefruit, pear, blackcurrant, middle notes hyacinth, jasmine, lilac, and base notes orris, musk, and amberwood. And this is an exact dupe for my favorite fragrance from Chanel. This is the Chanel Chanso Tendre. This one is especially engraved with my name, but you can see I have a very big dent in here. And when I apply perfume, I am definitely an oversprayer. I can go through a bottle of fragrance very quickly because I like to start with a very heavy base layer of perfume. What I love about Dossier is I like to pair Dossier fragrances with the corresponding luxury designer inspiration. So I'll generally start off the day with a heavy spray of the designer perfume, and then throughout the day I'll follow up with Dossier. This way I'm not going through the expensive one so quickly. Another one of my favorite Dossier fragrances is Powdery Coconut, which is an exact dupe of the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. And you can see that I have pretty much gone through this entire bottle because Tom Ford fragrances are very expensive. So I like to start off with maybe 3, 4, 5 sprays of the Soleil Blanc. And then throughout the day, especially in the summer when fragrances tend to wear a little faster, I will just follow up with the Dossier one. As you can see, I have really gone through this bottle. Fortunately, Dossier has some great sales going on right now. They have some great Black Friday and Cyber Week sales, which I believe should still be going on when this video goes up. For Cyber Week until the end of November, they are offering up to 45% off depending on how many items you purchase. It's a great time to stock up. They come out with new fragrances all the time, and they have some great dupes to your favorite fragrances from Chanel, Dior, Tom Ford, Le Labo, Viktor and Rolf, Gucci, all of your favorites. I will include some of my favorites down below, and I'll include all of the information to the discounts. When the Cyber Week sale is over, you can always use my promo code to save some money, but I definitely always recommend pairing a fragrance with its Dossier counterpart. It says Bombshell opens with a bright sparkle of Brazilian purple passion fruit. The heart of the fragrance blooms with Bombshell signature floral, the peony. Here the varietal is clean, petally Shangri-La peony from Tibet. Madagascan vanilla orchid adds a creamy sweetness, but it's Italian sunstruck pine that gives Bombshell its inimitable aromatic twist. And day 2 is up here. Last year when I unboxed this, there was a shipping error or something, but one of these top days was missing. So for day 2, we get Starstruck Color Shine Lip Gloss. This is a very sparkly, very glittery lip gloss. All right, I'll go ahead and swatch this for you so you can see if you like this. This smells so fruity. Okay, very nice topper, clear, a little bit of a glitter, kind of more like a shimmer. It's not too chunky glitter, but I really like this. Okay, down here we have day 3, and day 3 is a soap. This is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Fragrant Bath Bar, and it's a 1.3 ounce. Normally I'd keep this in the guest bath, but I am traveling soon, so I'll probably just bring this with me. But that is the Bombshell soap, and it smells exactly like the perfume. Okay, day 4 is over here, and day 4 is, oh, that is so cute. Okay, I think this is one of their newest flankers of Bombshell. This is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Glamour. This is described as a floral woody fragrance, so it's maybe a little more masculine than the original Bombshell. But I like that these bottles are spray bottles, and it's a 7.5 ml, so a very decently sized travel fragrance. This opens up with a fruity burst of peach, giving the fragrance a decadent drip of indulgence. The party comes to life with a pop of bubbly golden plum prosecco and the effervescence of crystal dawn peony for a luminous lift. A rush of opulence overtakes the night with a double-faceted amber that adorns the scent in festive luxury. So this is, I guess, a little more of an elegant date night version of Bombshell. Day 5 is in this box. We have another mini fragrance. I like how all the mini fragrances have this sticker to make sure it doesn't spill. So we have the same 7.5 ml travel size in a spray bottle. The Bombshell Seduction is inspired by the beauty of our signature ribbon. Our perfumers designed Bombshell Seduction to evoke the cool touch of satin on bare skin. This is described as a floral warm and has notes of white peony, sage, and velvet musk. For day 6, we have, oh, a candle. I love that these come with a mix of fragrances and candles. So again, this is the Bombshell Seduction. This is a pretty big size candle, 56 gram, 2 ounce, a little bigger than a regular votive size, I think. And then this is the Bombshell Seduction, just like the last one we just unboxed. Day 7 is at the top, and we have another lip product. This is the Brilliant Color Shine Lip Gloss. So this is the one from day 2. I wonder if that's the name. So the category is Color Shine Lip Gloss. This shade is called Brilliant, and then the Starstruck was the more of a lip topper lip gloss. This one also retails for $14.95, and this looks like it has a little more of a pigment. I'll swatch this next to the first one. So it has a light peachy color. Day 8 is over here on the right, and we have another fragrance mini, and this is the original Bombshell but in the travel size. So you have the full size for day 1, and then the little travel size for day 8. Day 9 hits down here in the center. Oh, something metallic. Day 9 is a little keychain. Okay, cute. I don't know what I did with last year. I think last year also had a keychain, but very cute. I used to love keychains. It's got a little crystal and then gold glitter for the body of the perfume. But this is nice. It has the, what do they call this? Lobster hook. Easier to take your keys on and off. Day 10 is right here, and we have another candle. This is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Intense. Bombshell Intense is a bolder version of the original. This has a blend of red peony and lush fruits. This is described as a fruity floral with notes of lush cherry, red peony, and sultry vanilla. Day 11 is here. Another candle, and this is the original Bombshell candle to go with the Bombshell fragrance. And the 12th and final day, not a grand finale because the grand finale was the first day with the full-size perfume. So for day 12, we have the miniature version of the Bombshell Intense to go with the candle. This fragrance is a lot fruitier than the original Bombshell. If you like Tom Ford Lost Cherry, this is very cherry centered, and it's a lot sweeter than the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. It's not as bitter. Okay guys, that is everything that is in this 12-day Victoria's Secret 12 Days of Bombshell advent calendar. I think this is a great value if you can get it for at least 30% off, preferably 40 or even 50% off retail. I don't think this is worth the $195 that they are selling this for full price, but definitely a much better value if you can get it on sale. I like that they include a full size of the Bombshell fragrance and a bunch of the minis in the different flankers. I wish that they included the like summery versions. Usually around the summer, spring, summer, they'll release a beachy version of Bombshell. I usually pick that up just kind of on its own, but I guess because it's limited edition, they don't have enough left to include. Plus they want you to buy the full size, I guess, if you like the minis, and you can't buy the limited edition if they're not available. So, but that's just one suggestion I have if they can change it going forward. But other than that, I really like it. I think it's a really cute layout and design. If you have FOMO because you weren't able to pick up the number 5 advent calendar, you can get the Bombshell one. Similar layout, similar shape, for a fraction of the price of the Chanel one. But let me know what you guys think of the Victoria's Secret Bombshell advent calendar. What are your favorite fragrances from Victoria's Secret? I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.